Now we're looking over the drone. It's now facing that way.
3, 2, 1.
This is the Imagination Drone Camp. It's basically an opportunity for middle school age kids to get to build their own drone and take it home with them, and they also get to learn how to fly, and they get a certification. Pretty much says, like with the FAA, that they can legally fly this drone at home once they take it home.
One of our mission sets as an FAA test site is to help with the safe integration of drones into the national airspace. This camp is one of the things that we get to host each year. During the course of the week, not only will they build their own drones that they get to take home, but during the week they'll practice on a simulator.
Let's go!
There's a career panel where we have different folks from the industry and come and talk with them about what it's like to work in the drone industry. In the end of the week, they're flying their drone in the drone park in a competition. So what a moment of pride to be able to build the drone during the week, compete with it at the end of the week, and then take it back home and share with their parents what they've learned during the week. Frankly, it's a really good time for my staff to go from working on safety case development and some deep engineering projects to taking an opportunity to work with the future of our industry.
It's been really great getting to interact with the students. They're building the drone, but also I get to talk to them about my experience and just being able to talk to them about the opportunities that are here, specifically at Virginia Tech, but also, in college in general. It's pretty far in the future for them. I mean, they're in middle school. A lot of them are just starting 7th grade. But having sort of like an end goal, like that future idea of maybe where they could end up, has seemed to really connect with them.